When people are thinking about donating to the foundation, sometimes it's hard to see how that impacts you or your patients. In our clinic, we've been able to utilize foundation grants for little things such as pediatric prizes for our treasure chest or blood pressure cuffs for our patients that are unable to afford them themselves. That way it's impacting patient care in a positive way. Our patients are getting the care they need with the blood pressure cuffs, but then also our pediatric patients feel happy after getting their shots or seeing the doctor, and kind of builds that relationship with us.
I feel that my contribution will make a difference by helping ease the burden of our patients. So I can speak to oncology services firsthand. I see this happen every day. The foundation helps us provide meals to our patients while they're here for lunch to help ease some of the burden of where am I going to get my lunch, or how am I going to get my food prepared for my treatment today. They also provide Insure, which is nutritional supplements for those patients that maybe aren't able to eat or aren't feeling well. And so those nutritional supplements assist our patients during their treatment. They also provide patient medications when there's an immediate need, or patient supplies. There are therapy services that the foundation supports for our patients. When insurances don't provide those services, then the foundation will help us with those things such as speech therapy. We also have transportation services that our foundation supports, which is a huge asset. Our patients, as you probably know, have a lot of treatments that they have to come to and a lot of appointments, and so having assistance with transportation is a huge relief for our patients.
So since my very first day at Phelps Health, I have been very impressed with the culture that we have here, just the sense of community. I feel like everybody supports everyone else. And the employee giving campaign allows me to give back to the people that make Phelps Health what it is. I feel like it helps me be a part of shaping and supporting the future. I think each of us giving just a little can have a huge impact. I actually did the math. I was kind of nerdy, and I was like, okay, if there are 1,500 employees who work at Phelps, which I know there are more, but if there are 1,500 employees and we each give $1 every paycheck, just $1, that would be $39,000 that we would have in a year. The employee giving campaign is one of the easiest ways to give back, not just to Phelps Health, but to the community as a whole. I mean, and I do believe everybody can make an impact, even in, no matter how small, it adds up. So don't hesitate.